reactions. So how do we identify reactions are there? Reactions are identified with the help of change in color, change in order, sometimes temperature is changed, precipitate is also formed, okay, and no doubt new type of products are formed. So this is the way to identify chemical reactions, okay, chemical reaction. Now big question is this: how do we write chemical reaction? Then chemical reactions are written in this way. Number C, chemical reaction. How do we write? Chemical reaction means first of all one element A will react with B and then something else is formed, AB. This type of reaction will take place. In such kind of reaction A is called reactant. It is called reactant. B is also a reactant. And this AB is a product. This is the product. This is reactant, this is reactant, and AB is what? AB is a product. Now, this AB is a product. Now, it is also possible that this is A, this is BC, and product is AB and plus C. C is free now. So, in first reaction and second reaction, what is the basic difference? Basic difference is this: here A and B are combined to make this, are joined to make this AB. But in this reaction, this A reacts with BC and going to replace C out of AB, and it is added with the B. Means A is replacing C, pushing C to go out, and A reacts with B, so AB is formed. Here once again combination is forming. Combination is taking place, but not complete combination. Okay, something which was already in this, it is going out. So in such case, this C is called less reactive element. Less reactive element. And A is called more reactive element. Why is it so? It is more reactive because when it is reacting with this, C, it is going to replace C. Means C was already in combination of B. C was already there. But it is pushing C to go out, and it is actually settled with AB, with A. So in such type of reaction, C is less reactive element or any other compound, and A is more reactive. Got it? So this reaction is not called combination. This is called displacement reaction. Here A is displacing C. And who is displaced? Less reactive element is displaced. Now one more reaction. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. And when reaction takes place, after this reaction, A reacts with C and B reacts with D, and in this way we get this type of reaction, AC plus B. So this type of reaction is called, BD is called what? This is called double displacement. What is it? Double displacement reaction. Double displacement. Here we have single displacement. And what is it? Double displacement. Okay. Here A is displacing D. Okay. It is displacing D. And it is combined with C. So no doubt in A or D, if you say A is more reactive. A is more reactive. And here C comes with B comes with C. So in this type of reaction where exchange is taking place, we say it is double displacement reaction, while it was only displacement reaction. Now we have one more thing, ABC. Suppose and you are lighting, putting light on it, or if you are going to give heat. In such case, A, B, C, or sometimes AB plus C, or sometimes A plus BC is formed. So this type of reaction, when any big compound is broken in parts, small parts, so this type of reaction is called decomposition. Okay, because big compound is going to break in a small one. So such kind, in such cases, it is called what? Decomposition reaction. Okay, हम बोलेंगे कि यहाँ decomposition हो गया. Yes or no? So this is, after that we have redox reaction. Redox is complete actually name of oxidation and reduction. Okay, in such case what happens? For example, here we have calcium, it reacts with oxygen, so we have CaO, calcium oxide. Balance we will do, no issue. Is it clear? Here calcium is reacting with oxygen and CaO is formed. So such kind of reaction is called calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is formed. So what is it? It is oxidation reaction. And sometimes some other reactions may also take place where hydrogen is added. So if hydrogen is added, in that case we say it is reduction. It is reduction. And after that we have two more reaction. One more, two term we have. Number one is called rancidity. Rancidity means so many oils are like that, if they are stored for a long time, then after a very long time, one different kind of smell start to come, and one more thing, taste is also changed. So such kind of reaction when takes place in such kind of oil, this type of reaction, this type of property is called rancidity, and that thing is called rancide. Now it is rancide. Okay, it happens with old achar oil. If we are having sarson oil, but this achar was actually started, okay, suppose 1 or 2 years back, so taste of this oil is changed completely, and it smells in different way, which is not pleasant. So this, in this case we say this is rancide. And now corrosion. Corrosion is a kind of that reaction where unwanted compounds are formed. Okay, as iron reacts with the water. Iron in general does not react with water. Okay, it is very slow process. But if it is hot water, then this process is very fast. If you take steam, it is more fast. So the reaction of iron with water vapors is called actually, after that one reddish layer is formed, everybody of knows, and if we know not, and this type of material is actually formed on the upper layer, and it makes that iron very weak. Simple, you may take one wooden piece, and if you rub, this start to fall down as a dust. So that makes iron very weak. That's why it is very dangerous. Okay, because of this rusting, millions and billions money is actually invested every year by the railway department and by other department, factories, and so many other areas also. In house also, every Deepavali we actually make neat and clean all windows and doors. And because of rusting, we invest our money in paint, and sometimes things are actually broken completely. So we replace, we do this. So this type of thing is called corrosion. Okay. On one hand, corrosion is very important. Okay, it is destroying the elements. That is bad thing. But if such kind of corrosion takes place on the upper layer, then it stops further reaction. So in that way it is very good. Okay, if you see by that angle, then it is very good. समझ गए? उस एंगल से देखो तो ये बहुत अच्छा है. तो यहां पर अपना ये ब्रीफ आइडिया इस चैप्टर का फिर हुआ.